Alright, welcome back YouTube. This is another installment of that Rav4, so we're going to pull this valve cover off quick. It's actually super simple. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this air intake off. There's actually one bolt holding that on. It's this one right here. And then there's two clips over here. You just pull them out right off. And then we're to this part. So there's a clamp right back there for the actually tube to go into the intake. Then there's a bolt here and over there. All those. Then there's a hose right there. And it's just a typical little pinch clamp, so pretty easy. And then this little bracket's held on by two bolts right there. Now you're down here. There's where your coils go, and they're just held in by a bolt on each one. Then there's this little bracket for that wire harness. It goes right there. Then you have a bolt here, back there, this hose right here, and then you have a bolt there, there, one in the corner down there, a nut there, bolt there, nut there, and then there's two long bolts right there and right there, and then this front hose. And then that guy, valve cover literally just pulls right off. So that one's pretty easy. Literally took me less than 5 minutes to pull it apart. I actually have a leak in mine. Unfortunately, it looks like there was some repair done to the top of the valve cover, so I have to look into that too now. But there's your two cams. Make sure and clean that surface up a little bit before you put the new gasket on. The Velcro part number for that is right there. Cost me 15 bucks at the parts store, so pretty easy to get your hands on. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask them in the comments and I'll respond. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and make sure and put that back on the right way and torque them down. I don't know the torque specs, but I'm sure they're out there. Like, subscribe, and share us. Have some fun. Deuces.